All right, hey, what's going on, everybody out there in social media land? Welcome back to vtwin Skins. This is Alfred, just doing a quick check-in and giving you some updates on our current projects. We've been busy traveling, doing a little bit of trainings, but all excited, loving my journey, and had a couple of announcements. First of all, we just released our new website. Let me give you a quick peek. All right, so just like that, vtwinskins.com. All right, it's an easy peasy website. I would love for you guys to check it out. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Have some basic information about us and the company, the services we offer, how to contact us. All right. That's it. All of the lines that we work with. Pretty simple, easy peasy. Just give it a look. I love your feedback. Get back to me. Let me know if you have any questions on that. Outside of that, today we're going to do a little bit of practice. Had to revisit a couple of our lines. We had a quality issue with one of the vendors for our current project, and we're going to be changing up the material that we use for our house project, Black Demon. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to try to handle both of the side covers today. Again, this is just a little bit of practice. I'll show you what our work is like. And these are the pieces right here. All right, so these are side covers on the 22 Fatboy 114. This would be your clutch side. This is your driver side. I'm gonna try to figure out a solution because this thing has a cutout for the original suspension dampener, which is no longer needed. So I'm hoping to find something that covers the whole way across, but for now we'll just use the stock one. Outside of that, guys, I am going to be doing, once again, a little bit of a speed run on the video, just to, respect your time. I do appreciate you guys checking us out. If you are going to YouTube, please like, subscribe, ask away, guys. If you have any questions on our methods, on products that we use, I'm open book. All right, guys. So outside of that, here's the video.